Good morning children. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we shall see the next lesson from the literature reader book. The name of the lesson is The Seven Cream Jugs, written by Saki. It is the most awkward time for the respectable pigeon cotes. They are expecting their cousin who has a notorious problem. But it is not long before the tables turn and they become quite notorious themselves. Her humorous one-act play of mistaken identity by the master storyteller Saki. Here, this is the one-act play written by the storyteller Saki. The characters here in this play are Mr. Peter Pigeoncote, Mrs. Pigeoncote, she is the wife of Mr. Pigeoncote, Wilfred, their cousin, Mrs. Consuelo von Bullion, a house guest. This story is about the Pigeoncotes who have recently celebrated their 25th wedding anniversary and were loaded with numerous silver gifts from their family and friends, which also included 7 silver jugs. One day, while they both were in their comfortable house in London, they received a telegram saying that their cousin Wilfred, who was known to be a kleptomaniac, meaning to say someone who has a psychological tendency to steal things, but though they steal not for becoming rich or getting something more, but they do it as a habit. It is an harmless disease, but it is not easily curable. It affects people, but it does not. That act is not done intentionally. So Wilfred, who has been known to be a kleptomaniac in the family, wanted to give them a visit. The couple did not like the idea of having him in their house at such a time when they had so many gifts lying around in the house. They both finally decided to keep an eye on him, to watch him day and night, so that nothing goes for a theft by Wilfred, because the 7 silver jugs are also there at home, and so they are very keen in watching Wilfred not stealing any things. When Wilfred arrived, they treated him kindly, but they watched him like a hawk. Hawk means a bird of prey. After dinner, they showed him their gifts. Eventually, what happened? Wilfred went off to sleep, and to the couple's surprise, what happened? They found a silver jug missing out of 7. So they decided to search that jug in the suitcase of Wilfred. When to search it? So they decided to search when he is bathing the next morning. And finally the morning came and they both went into room of Wilfred, and as they suspected, they found a silver jug in suitcase of Wilfred. They quietly took the jug and came out of the room. And when they were having their breakfast, Wilfred told that one of the silver jug that he bought to present the couples also was missing. So who took the jug? Those couples took the silver jug from the suitcase of Wilfred. So they kept quiet, did not tell Wilfred about the theft they did. They kept quiet. They tried to hide. They tried to cover up the blunder by giving an excuse that Wilfred himself would have taken and kept it with the 7 other jugs that are in the house last night. But Wilfred was so confident that he saw the jug before he went for bath. Mrs. Pigeon Court soon thought of something. She made out an idea and asked her husband to fetch her some smelling salts. Meanwhile, what Mrs. Pigeon Court did was, she told Wilfred about husband's harmless disease of kleptomania and requested Wilfred to keep it as a secret to himself and not to tell anyone outside. Some months later, this pigeonette couple was in their house and Mrs. Councillor von Bullion, her house guest, came to their house and visited them. And to Mr. Pigeon Court's surprise, what happened was, Mrs. Councillor took her suitcase and went to bathroom, and wherever she goes, she takes her suitcase along with her. And Pigeon Court was surprised to see the act of Councillor. She was doing it differently. He was amazed that every lady who comes to see Mr. Pigeon Court did the same. So he was not aware that his own wife, Mrs. Pigeon Court, has told that Mr. Pigeon Court was affected with kleptomania. And Wilfred also was told about kleptomania, and Mr. Pigeon Court was affected by kleptomania was a rumor spread by Mrs. Pigeon Court to cover up the theft that they did from the suitcase of Wilfred. So, from this story, we understand about kleptomania, which is an habit of stealing things, not for becoming rich or getting things more, but it is a general habit and it is not that easy to cure. Hope you all have understood the story. I shall meet you in the next video. Thank you.